This tutorial will show you how to access JSTOR's language and literature collection through Coventry University. We'll begin from LibGuides. You will either be on the generic Partner Students LibGuide or a LibGuide for your specific institution. Either way, you want to click on the tab that says Subject Resources. From here, scroll down to where there's the names of different databases and click on JSTOR. You'll be presented with the link to JSTOR Language and Literature Collection. So if we click on that, that will either take you straight to a Coventry University login page, which we will see in a moment, or it will take you to this page. Now, at the moment, across the top of the page, it gives you the option to log in through your library, and we're going to click on that. Now it takes us to this page and we need to search by institution name. So we want to search for Coventry University. Search. Your search of Coventry University returned one result and we want to click on Login. And that will take us to this page here. Or if you've clicked onto JSTOR straight from LibGuides, sometimes it will take you straight to this page and you don't need to do the bit that we've just done. Either way, once you see this page, you want to log in using your Coventry University username and password. Now, it's really important on this page that after you've put in your username, you add @coventry.ac.uk. and then you put in your normal Coventry password and click sign in. So what that will do is it will take us back to JSTOR, but now we can see across the top access provided by Coventry University, and that wasn't there before. So now we're ready to search. So instead of clicking and searching in this search box straight away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Advanced Search instead. And that will take us to this page. So we're ready to put in our keywords. Now, rather than inputting your entire assignment title or a whole sentence, what you need to do is break that down into key topics or keywords. So what I'm going to search for is gender and children's literature. Now you can change where those words are going to turn up within your article. So you might want it to appear in the title or the abstract, but at the moment I'm just going to keep that in all fields. We want to make sure that content I can access is selected rather than all content. So the reason we want content I can access to be selected is so that every single one of your results is available in full text for you to view there and then. Now, if I scroll down, I can narrow my search results even more. So because I'm looking for journal articles, I'm just going to click on articles. You can narrow it down by language if you want to, and you can put a publication date. So you might want all of your search results from the beginning of time, or you just might want search results that have been published more recently. So if I just want results that have been published in the last 5 years, I can type in from 2013 to 2018, and that means my search results will all be published in the last 5 years. So now that I've set all of my parameters, I'm going to go back up and I'm going to click on the search button. And this will present me with my search results. So it tells me at the top that my search produced 2,572 results, which is quite a lot to look through. If that happens, you can refine your results even more. So on the left-hand side, you've got an option to search within your results. So you can add extra keywords. You can change the publication date again, so you might want to make that even more recent, say the last 2 years. Or you can refine by subject. So I'm going to show you more. So we've got all of these subjects down here. Now I'm going to click on Asian Studies, and that will refresh my results. So now I only have 75 search results, which is much more manageable. So now I'm going to start looking at my results. I can see that this is a journal article. I've got the title here. I've got the authors. I've got the name of the journal that this article is published within, so the China Journal, number 71, published in 2014. And it's got topics there as well, so it gives me an idea of what this article is going to be about. Now from here, all I want to do is go to the right hand side and click Download PDF. So I'm going to click that. It will open a new tab. You need to accept JSTOR's terms and conditions to be able to view the article. So I accept. And here we go. We've got our PDF here. Again, it gives information about what the article is and where it's published. And then if we scroll down to the next page, the article will begin. So to start with, we've got an abstract, which is just a short summary of what the article is about. And then we get into the article itself. Now, because this is a PDF, we do have a couple of options available to us. You can just read it on the screen like it is now, or if you go into the top right hand corner, you can see that there is an option to print the PDF, or you can download it and save it for later. And in a nutshell, that is how you access articles on JSTOR.